Hello, Maria. Maria is an actor, anchor, VJ, and a brilliant chef. So, who are your guests for today?
Now don't go and spoil it for everyone.
So, what's cooking in there?
Oh, you'll see. But today, I'm baking the best cake ever.
Bold statement.
Let me back it up. Desserts are delightful to the soul, aren't they? And you know what goes best with cake? Some amazing company. Joining me today are my super talented buddies, Nama and Harshvardhan. Are you guys ready? Ready?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Oh, that Pictionary game looks fun.
Maria, your turn.
Oh, I'm so sorry, I got completely distracted with Harsh's art. This is really great work, Harsh. It's really lovely.
Thank you.
That song of the city, isn't it?
It's the story of Pune in chronology.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you put it all together?
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
So Nama, tell me about your studio, The Blank Space.
The Blank Space is a platform that we want to create to invite artists and other creators to come and experiment and collaborate and explore with us.
Wow.
Yeah.
From performers to musicians to artists to everybody.
Yeah, it's about community, and we all have passions about the same thing, and we strive to create, and I think it's a pretty nice idea, and it would be fun.
We should have a drink to that.
Yes.
We should have a drink to that.
Cheers.
Friends like these fill your spirit with so much happiness.
So how much chocolate is too much chocolate?
There's no such thing as too much chocolate. So like Marie Antoinette said, eat cake. So hope you like this.
I love the addition of the orange segments.
Yeah, I know.
Just a little bit of
that
citrus.
nice burst of freshness. So I must tell you that this book just released, Kama, and this artwork is done by Harsh.
That's
And
fabulous.
so, yeah, it's really, really beautiful. I love surrounding myself with artists. They always inspire me. I won't trade spending quality time with my favorite people for anything.
Awesome.
The memories of which shall be etched on our hearts forever.